Hi, it's Nick from HOLTS, and this week's episode we'll be discussing one of our fantastic Simonize products, and that's the wax-free shampoo. As many of you know, when you've got a matte black vehicle like this that's been wrapped, unfortunately using a wax-based type shampoo will obviously leave streaking once you've finished washing it. The disadvantages of this is that you can end up having a car that's got streaks all over it, and the advantages of using a Simonize product is that you will keep your car in pristine condition without having all the streaking effects. Fortunately, unfortunately, you're not going to see me washing a car in a bikini today. But what we're going to do is just add some of the product into a bucket as normal. You can use lukewarm water for your best results. Fill the bucket up with water, get it nice and full of foam. Rinse your car off as you normally would. Now this is where if you were using a wax shampoo, you'd end up having streaks even if you just left the water lying on the car. So we'll just wash the car thoroughly. Miss any spots. You can see already, just with the normal sun that we've got here, the product is starting to dry. Now if this was normal shampoo, you'd have those streak marks appearing already. So now that we've done that, we can rinse it off. Then just dry as normal with a chamois, and presto, the car will be clean, there'll be no streak marks, and your pride and joy will be ready to hit the road.
Get it on now.